गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter the 12th, shlokas 13 to 20, translated from the original Sanskrit into English rhymed verse by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani. The Blessed Lord said, "Who hateth none from self is free, in pleasure pain has poised mind, and is compassionate and kind. My best beloved saint is he, who dedicateth unto me his mind and reason, is content, controlled, his life still in me blent. My best beloved saint is he, who harms no bird nor beast nor flea, and doth not feel disturbed here by any, and is freed of fear. My best beloved saint is he, who nothing wants, doth work for me, yet is from work detached, serene, well balanced, unperplexed and clean. My best beloved saint is he, who fixed in faith and love on me, doth dote on me, yet scorneth none, and fruits of labor all doth shun. My best beloved saint is he, who is alike in pain and glee, in fame and shame, in cold and heat, to foe and friend in strength defeat. My best beloved saint is he, who bears blame, praise, is passion free, who homeless is and firm in mind, in silent love who life doth find. My best beloved saint is he. They who this nectar drink of me, and know the law that giveth life, and cling to faith away from strife. My best beloved saint is he. Om Tat Sat. Thus endeth chapter the 12th of the Bhagavad Gita, entitled Bhakti Yoga, or the Yoga of Devotion.
श्री सुखमनी साहब अष्टपदी 17 पौड़ी बी। सत्य स्वरूप हृदय जुन मान्या, करन करावन तिल मूल पछान्या, जाके हृदय विश्वास प्रभ आया, तत् ज्ञान तिस मन प्रगटाया। बहते निर्भव होए बसाना, जिस ते उपजा तिस माह समाना। बसत माहिले बसत गडाए, ताकै बिन न कह ना जाए। बूझे बूझन हार बबेक, नारायण मिले नानक एक। बूझे बूझन हार बबेक, नारायण मिले नानक एक। जंहिं सत स्वरूप आत्मा खे पंहिंजे हृदय में जातो आहे, तंहिं करण ऐं कराइण जे मूल परमात्मा पार ब्रह्म खे सुञातो आहे। जंहिंजे हृदय में प्रभुअ लाइ पूर्ण निश्चय पैदा थियो आहे, तंहिंजे अंदरि ज्ञान जो तत प्रकाश थियो आहे। हू डप खां आज़ादु निर्भव थी रहे थो ऐं जब प्रभुअ में पैदा थियो आहे, उन में समाइजी वञे थो, हिकु ई थी थो वञे। जीअं का हिकु शइ कंहिं ॿी शइ सां गॾिजे ऐं पोइ उन्हनि ॿिन्हिनि खे जुदा कोठे नथो सघिजे। इहा ॻाल्हि जेको सम्झू विवेक वीचार सां सम्झे थो, सो नारायण सां मिली हिकु थी वञे थो।
Dadasham. This is a small offering, a very beautiful bhajan, To Vaste, from Singapore Center. रूहानी तक ही दिल तक, रूहानी तक तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते ही दिल तक, रूहानी तक ही दिल तक, रूहानी तक तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते। ईडी है जो सब कम का, ही रात जो इश्क आज़ाद। ईडी है जो सब गम का, ही रात जो इश्क आज़ाद। तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते ये दिल तक, रूहानी तक, ये दिल तक, रूहानी तक तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते। नीह नेड़न मां वहे जो आ, ही भगल दिल जो रबा। नीह नेड़न मां वहे जो आ, ही भगल दिल जो रबा। तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते, तो वास्ते ये दिल तक, रूहानी तक, ये दिल तक, रूहानी तो वास्ते। शब रोज इंतजारी दुख दर्द मुखे आहे प्यारी। शब रोज इंतजारी दुख दर्द मुखे आहे प्यारी। तो वास्ते तो वास्ते तो वास्ते तो वास्ते ही दिल तक रूहानी तक ही दिल तक रूहानी तक तो वास्ते तो वास्ते। नूरी निमाड़ी करे कुर्बान प्यास में ही प्राण प्राण। नूरी निमाड़ी करे कुर्बान प्यास में ही प्राण प्राण। तो वास्ते तो वास्ते तो वास्ते तो वास्ते ही दिल तक रूहानी तक ही दिल तक रूहानी तक। तो वास्ते तो वास्ते तो वास्ते तो वास्ते ही दिल तक रूहानी तक ही दिल तक रूहानी तक। तो वास्ते 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 तो वास्ते।
गुरुदेव प्यारा सुन जडे खावे तू मुखे हित छडे तडे खाहिय दिलड़ी पे तो खेसडे रही न सघाती मां तो खापरे ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े जडे खावे तू मुखे हित छडे तडे खाहिय दिलड़ी पे तो खेसडे रही न सघाती मां तो खापरे रही न सघाती मां तो खापरे ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े अकेली अकेली मिठा किया माघार्या परे तो खा गिलहन गोड़ा गार्या अकेली अकेली मिठा किया माघार्या परे तो खा गिलहन गोड़ा गार्या सुडकन सा सजना पे तो सड्या सुडकन सा सजना पे तो सड्या छड्यम ही संसार तोखे की न छड्या छड्यम ही संसार तोखे की न छड्या रही न सघाती मां तो खापरे रही न सघाती मां तो खापरे ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े तुझा पैर दिल में पकड़या थम तुझा पैर दिल में पकड़या थम तुझा श्वास जिया में जकड़या थम तुझा श्वास जिया में जकड़या थम जिया पे तोलाए न तवन्या मरी जिया पे तोलाए न तवन्या मरी समझे कि न कोई सडिन मुचड़ी समझे कि न कोई सडिन मुचड़ी चरी थी नूरी पे तोलाए फिरा चरी थी नूरी पे तोलाए फिरा घर आशीष अंजलि मिली पोय मरा 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 रही न सघाती मां तो खापरे रही न सघाती मां तो खापरे ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े ये दिल तोलाए पे रोए रड़े
पहाड़न ते प्रीतमा पे तो खे पुकार्या न आवाज अचे को गिलहन गोढ़ाया तुंहिंजूं यादगिरियूं दादल थियूं वर वर सताइन न हिकदम दोस्त दिलबर तोखे विसारिया तोखे विसारिया दोस्त खड़े ही दुनिया में तो जहड़ो न को पियो दोस्त खड़े ही दुनिया में तो जहड़ो न को पियो कुर्बान वञा तुंहिंजे नाम तां कुर्बान वञा तुंहिंजे नाम तां तो छा नाहे कयो तो छा नाहे कयो तो छा नाहे कयो तो छा नाहे कयो रे घुरियो थी पियो भरपूर तुंहिंजा भंडार भरपूर तुंहिंजा भंडार किथे मिलंदो ॿियो को तो जहड़ो दिल बर यार कुर्बान वञा तुंहिंजे नाम तां कुर्बान वञा तुंहिंजे नाम तां छा नाहे कयो तो छा नाहे कयो तो छा नाहे कयो कर माफ़ मदायूं आहिनि सव हज़ार आहिनि सव हज़ार कर माफ़ मुंहिंजूं मदायूं आहिनि सव हज़ार आहिनि सव हज़ार करे महर मुहाणीअ ते सन्मुख पंहिंजे विहार सन्मुख पंहिंजे विहार दादा सन्मुख पंहिंजे विहार कुर्बान वञा तुंहिंजे नाम तां छा नाहे कयो दोस्त खड़े ही दुनिया में तो जहड़ो न को ॿियो यारा की नवा कुछ न की ज्ञान ध्यान न की ज्ञान ध्यान परू फकत हीअ हिकड़ी करी जे है तुझे नाम ता कुर्बान मना तुझे नाम ता तो छा ना है कयो तो छा ना है कयो तो छा ना है कयो सुर्त मिलंदी शब्द सां ओढ़ा थींदा सां ओढ़ा थींदा सां सुर्त मिलंदी शब्द सां ओढ़ा थींदा सां ओढ़ा थींदा नूरिया जे कमल कदमन में 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 अंजलि बैठी वहाए आप अंजलि बैठी वहाए आप अंजलि बैठी वहाए आप अंजलि बैठी वहाए आप कुर्बान वजा तुझे नाम ता कुर्बान वजा तुझे नाम ता तो छा ना है कयो 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 दोस्त खड़े ही दुनिया में तो जहरो न को ब्यो तो जहरो न को ब्यो तो जहरो न को ब्यो
गुरुदेव दयालु शरणारति गुरुदेव दयालु शरणारति आगति नादे कर मन माती गुरुदेव दयालु शरणारति बबूत दिनादर आहि दया मोरे बीमार जिया पंहिंजे में नाहिन सुतियूं ख़बर नाहे मुंहिंजी तबीबान खे दवा दिल जी आहे हबीबन खे तारन खे पेई ॾियासे कजूं मातारूं बिना तो ऐं दिलबर न दर्द जो को दारूं मेहरमी है मालिक शलमोनिहारी कदमन में पंहिंजे ए प्यारल बिहारी अॼु राति पधारियो आहे फ़क़ीर मुंहिंजे दिल जे अंदर त पेरन में पंहिंजे ॾिनोरी पनाह सॼण साईं सुहिणा ए शाहन जा शाह पेरन में पंहिंजे ॾिनोरी पनाह सॼण साईं सुहिणा ए शाहन जा शाह The translation of the Vajan goes as such. Tonight, O Prince, tonight, O Prince, moist are my eyes, for they have not closed in sleep. My physicians know it not, but the mendicant for my heart is only available with you, O my beloved. I am sending you my messages through the stars, for apart from you, there is no cure for my malady. O Master, pray bestow your glance of mercy on me, and O beloved, pray seat me at your lotus feet. O sage, tonight you have blessed me with your presence, and there is deep longing for you in my heart. O beauteous Master, O King of Kings, pray, grant me refuge at your lotus feet, says Nuri Darasha.
Page 767, Vichoro. ॾिनो थई विछोड़ो न सही मां सघां न इक खिन टोबिन रही मां सघां चपन ते अथम मुश्क अंदर मच मचे एक तस्वीर तुंहिंजी थी नेण नेण नचे हाणे आओ प्यारा ॾे मींह निहार न अंजलीअ खे कॾहिं रखिजे दंभ धार दाश
हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम
हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम
हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम
हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम दादा श्याम,
दादा श्याम दादा श्याम दादा श्याम दादा श्याम
दादा श्याम दादा श्याम दादा श्याम दादा श्याम।
हरे कृष्णा हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
Friends and fellow devotees of the Lord, namaskars to every one of you. Oh, my friends, every breath of mine belongs to Him, the Beloved. This beautiful song of Saint Meera reverberates in the air, re-echoes in our hearts, bringing with it the timeless message of love and longing for the Lord. Fortunate was Meera. Blessed was she, for she had surrendered her life to her beloved Sri Krishna. Meera, in all her songs, yearns for one thing above all else, her beloved, her divine love. She cries, I need nothing, nothing at all. I need but a glimpse of my dear beloved. Her yearning recalls the cry of the Sufi soul, desiring nothing but union with the beloved, the Supreme Being. I need nothing, Meera cries. Alas, how many of us can say the same with her? We need so many things. We need money, we need luxuries, we need cars and houses, we need better and more expensive clothes and jewels. Man's wants are many, and they keep multiplying. But saints like Meera have only one need, the need to see the luminous face of the one who, for want of a better word, we call the Supreme Being. This longing, this awareness of the pain of separation is one of the traits of true devotion, and it is a rare quality. Only very few people who have reached the heights of spiritual growth are blessed with it. This longing for the beloved manifests itself as an unbearable affliction. This separation is an unbearable pain. This overwhelming emotion arises only when we are the receptors of grace from above. This shower of grace can come any time. It can fall on anyone. The moment the grace is showered, the inner urge is awakened. That becomes the turning point in one's life. Sadhu Vaswani often spoke to us about the law of transformation. One twist, one unexpected turn in life, and you are reborn as a new person. There is a story told us of a woman of ill repute. One day she receives the grace of God. She is born anew. Her life is touched by grace, and she is transformed into a new being. Abandoning her ignoble profession, she moves to the holy city of Varanasi. There, on the banks of the holy river Ganga, she makes a boat her home. She begins her sadhana of incantation of the Rama mantra. Soon the word spreads. that there is a holy woman who lives in a boat on the banks of the river. Hordes of people visit her, venerate her, touch her feet. She tells them, "Do not touch my feet, touch the feet of Lord Rama. I am nothing, he is everything." But still, people continue to touch her feet out of deep devotion. She writes on her boat in bold letters, "I am not a sadhvi. I am not a saint. I am a sinner. If you want to touch anyone's feet, touch the lotus feet of Sri Rama." How did this transformation come about in the life of this woman of immoral character? The change was brought in by a young man of high spiritual power. This young man was studying in a college. At the end of the year, when the exams were over, he had a long vacation. He went to his guru and asked him how he could use this long vacation for a spiritual gain, for he was keen to make some progress towards his goal in life. The Guru offered him a simple suggestion for self-growth. He told him to go to a particular village. There, by the side of the river, he would find a cremation ground. Go there, the Guru said, and spend your time for 41 days in meditation. You will be blessed with an unforgettable experience. The young man accepted the Guru's advice. He went to the village, and by the river he found a cremation ground, just as the Guru had said. He put up a small thatched shelter there and began to live in it. He cooked a simple food there, ate, prayed, and spent most of his time in meditation, even while dead bodies were being cremated nearby. The funeral pyres, as you can imagine, were not a happy or encouraging sight, but the experience of living in constant sight of death gave the young man a sense of vairagya. Well, it is good to get used to this sight, he said to himself, for one day, sooner or later, you too shall be there, cremated and gone, leaving behind nothing more than a handful of ashes. The young man lived a life of this kind of discipline for 39 days. On the 39th day, he grew tired of living on the cremation ground, watching dead bodies being burned. My friends must have enjoyed their vacations. They must have had a great time. Why am I rotting here? He mused. The Guru had said that I would have many unforgettable experiences, but so far I have had no such experience except a feeling of despondency. The young man felt that he should leave the village and return to his hometown now. There were 2 more days of the vacation left. He could relax and enjoy himself for those 2 days at least, after his grueling stint in the village. And so he decided to quit. He dismantled his straw hut and bid goodbye to the cremation ground and decided to return to his hometown. It was pitch dark when he passed through the village. As he crossed a lane, he heard a sweet, melodious voice singing, "The journey is long, the time is short, so hurry up if you want to reach the goal." The young man was enthralled. The sweet voice had captivated him. He inquired from the people around about the singer. "Oh, she is a tawaif, professional entertainer," they explained. "She has a sweet, enchanting voice." Struck by those words, "The journey is long, run, run," the young man realized that he had made a mistake by giving up his sadhana at this point in time when just 2 more days were left. He immediately went back to the cremation ground by the river. On the 41st day, the young man had the unforgettable experience that the Guru had promised. He felt a beautiful sense of calm and serenity. He experienced a state of stillness. It was a mystical experience, the like of which he had never had before. He felt deeply grateful to the tawaif, whose song had awakened and rekindled in him the desire to go back to his discipline and carry out his Guru's instructions. The young man became an ascetic, and in his saffron clothes he went to meet the tawaif. The sentinel at the door pushed him away, saying that this place was not for sadhus and saints. Hearing the commotion at her door, the tawaif herself came out. Seeing the young man in his ochre robe, she said, "O man of God, you have come to the wrong door. Perhaps someone has deliberately deceived you and misguided you." The young ascetic replied, "I have come to the right place. I have come here to meet you." After much persuasion, he was able to gain entry into the house. The first thing he did was to kneel and bow down to the tawaif. "You are my mother," he exclaimed, with tears of gratitude in his eyes. "You have taught me a great lesson. Thanks to the moving words of your beautiful song, I have reached my goal. But for your song, I don't know how long I would have wandered in the wilderness." The tawaif was surprised. How could her seductive song have influenced a sadhu? She wanted to know how she could have brought him on the right path. The young sadhu then narrated to her how his weak will and impatience had compelled him to abandon the path shown by his Guru. Her song, "The journey is long, the time is short, hurry, run, run fast to reach the destination," had enlightened him, and he had resumed the life of discipline prescribed by his Guru. And the reward for his discipline had come to him even as the Guru had promised. He was now on the pilgrim path to the homeland of the soul. The tawaif, for her part, was profoundly moved by the youth's experience. She had sung the song to entertain her customers for years together, but she had never understood its real meaning. Now, enlightened and awakened, she too decided to turn over a new leaf. She gave up her immoral profession and resolved to go to Varanasi to seek her salvation. On the banks of the sacred Ganga, she became spiritually empowered by the chanting of Sri Ramanam. She entered into the state of superconsciousness She lived life on a higher plane, forgetting everything else. She could even predict her death. A day before her final farewell, she folded her hands before her devotees and said to them, I take your leave today, for tomorrow I shall leave on my final journey. A few words can bring about the transformation that we all seek. Once the transformation happens, then even those who are running after worldly wealth will sing as did Saint Mira, I need thee and thee and thee alone. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
प्रभु तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम प्रभु जी, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। प्रभु तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। तकलीफ और तंगी में नूर एक तू ही मददगार, उठाए हैं अंजलि के जन्मों के सारे भार। करता नहीं मैं कुछ भी, सब काम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम ओ दादा, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। दादा तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। सब काम हो रहा है। सब काम हो रहा है।